Hello everyone, welcome back to another amazing video. Today we're going to be making Nuegados de Yuca and Chilate de Cojutepeque. So let's begin. So we're going to start with our chilate, which is a typical drink that is served together with los Nuegados. We're going to start off by adding 2 cups of cornmeal to a pot. Next we're going to add about a thumb-sized piece of ginger and 8 sweet peppercorns. We're then going to add 4 cups of water and we're going to cook our chilate over medium heat for roughly 15 minutes, stirring it constantly. In El Salvador, traditionally this drink is served inside the dried shells of the morro tree fruit, known as huacal de morro. We're going to continue by making our miel simple. So to a pot we're going to add 1 or 2 panela tablets, which is basically whole cane sugar. We're then going to continue by adding 2 cups of water and also 1 cinnamon stick. We're going to bring our syrup to a boil and we're going to stir it constantly. We're going to continue to cook this until it starts to thicken, roughly 5 to 10 minutes. Afterwards, we'll turn it off and we'll put it aside so it could cool. Next up are Nuegados de Yuca or Cassava fritters. We're going to start off by separating the skins of 3 small cassavas and then rinsing them clean. We're now going to grate our yuca or cassava to make about 4 cups. We're going to place our shredded cassava in a bowl and we're going to add half a cup of flour. We are also going to add half a cup of melted butter, 3 whole eggs, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of grated Parmesan cheese, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of anise. We're going to mix everything well until it is all combined. While we're mixing, we're going to place some corn oil to a pan over medium-high heat. Once our corn oil is nice and hot, I'm going to use a spoon to spoon out our nuegado mix and place it in the pan to fry. Depending on how big or how small you want your nuegados, you could use other utensils. I'm going to fry my nuegados for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they're nice golden brown in color. Once done, I'm going to place my nuegados or yuca fritters on some paper towels so that any excess oil can be absorbed. And voila, we have our delicious crunchy Nuegados de Yuca or Cassava fritters. We're going to pour our delicious syrup on top and we're going to have a big bowl of chilate to accompany our delicious fritters. So I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. Please remember to subscribe and also go check out our Instagram at san.paul20 so you never miss any fun facts. Bye-bye!